Hello and welcome. So today I'm going to talk to you about the new mocap animation feature in Unreal Engine 5.8, which just recently dropped and is available for download. So to begin with, you're going to go up to Edit, and go to your plugins, and you just type in Meta H. It'll bring up all your Metahuman ones. And what you're looking for in particular is this plugin, the Metahuman Animator Markless Motion Capture plugin. Now you also want to make sure you get all these checked, all your Metahuman stuff, going all the way down. Just check it all. You're going to need it, and especially Live Link. You're going to need that. Everything except for the old stuff there. I usually check it all whenever I start working with metahumans, and this is just a diagnostic thing I don't usually mess around with. So anyway, once you do that, it's going to have you restart, and when you come back, you're going to find yourself at your default page. So to begin with, you're going to go up to Tools, and you're going to scroll down. You'll see Live Link Hub. Just click on that, and that will launch. It'll take a minute for it to come up, especially the first time you launch it. Once it comes up, you're going to be presented with this window, and this is where you're going to start out. You're going to go up here, you're going to change this to Capture Manager, and then you're going to click on Add, and you're going to choose Mono Video Ingest. Then you're going to highlight that and come down here. It's going to say Take Directory. You're going to click on that, and then you can find wherever your takes are for reference videos. I have a folder here. You select your folder, and it will present you with any videos that are in that folder. So today I'm going to do this one in particular. This is a little bit of a martial art move, just to show you what this is capable of. So you click on that, and then you click on Add to Queue. It'll bring it over here. I just highlight it, okay, and then you hit Start. And take a second here, and then once it's done, then you can just minimize this or close it because you won't need it now. So you're going to have a new folder come up. It's going to be called Capture Manager. You click into it, into Imports, and you'll see the folder, and this is the name of the video, and you'll have some files in here that were produced from using Live Link. So you're going to right click here, you're going to go to Metahuman, and you're going to choose Metahuman Performance, and you can change the name to whatever you want. I'm just going to call it Kick. That's good enough. And then you open it up. Okay, now you come over to here, and your footage capture, just click this down, and it will be this one that you produced with Live Link. Okay, and it's going to bring up your footage. Okay, so now you're going to scroll down, and you're going to click on Body Tracking. And once that comes up, you'll see the skeleton appear here. That's just automatic. You can turn it off coming up here just by doing that. Okay. Now what you want is your visualization object, which is going to be a blueprint. So if you have a blueprint of a character, I'm going to use Drew here. Just select it, and your character will pop in there. I usually just turn the skeleton off at this point because it doesn't really matter. Okay, so now we're ready to go. So we're going to hit Process, and then I'll skip over all this time it takes. It can take about 10 minutes to do this. So I'll see you on the other side. Okay, so welcome back. So as you can see, our character is pretty much in the same position as this character. Now take note that this character has a sword, and of course I don't have one for this. So we're just going to go all the way back, and I'm going to show you how great this mocap system is, which is absolutely free and comes with Unreal Engine 5.8. Now I've worked with a lot of animation applications, and especially Cascador, which is a unique one also. But Cascador's motion capture is nowhere near this. I'm sad to say, and they will get there. I'm sure they will. But this is great. I mean, he doesn't really miss anything on that whole kick and everything else he's doing. If I just take this back little by little, I mean, you can see, if you look at the video and you look at the character, they are spot on to each other. And even if they're off very little, it's nothing that you can notice, especially with an animation. And I'm doing that super slow there. So that's just a quick lesson on using this. So the last thing, of course, is if you are satisfied with the animation, then you of course want to keep the animation. You just go up here to export animation and just choose a name for it. I am going to just choose this spot here for now, and it will bring up your actually, when it first comes up, it's going to show the performer skeleton. Now I've done this once before already, so that's why that skeleton was up. So what you do is you click on this and go to existing, and then you just find the existing skeleton for your particular person, body, skeleton, so on and so forth, whoever's over here. In my case it was Drew. If I was to just type in Drew, if I could find it, it would give me that body there anyway. I just wanted to point that out to you, and then you just hit create and it'll create your animation for you. So that will be all for this video, and if you got something out of it, then I would appreciate it if you gave me a like or left a comment or subscribed, and I will see you again the next time.